The Pick Your Passion campaign allows employees of Community Hospice to directly support the programs and funds that are meaningful to them.
Pick Your Passion has so many different areas that you can donate to, and it makes funds available for so many different choices for people that really need it, whether it be burial funds or help pay a utility bill or whatever. It just makes these funds available and makes people be more whole again.
I've gone to the Pick Your Passion Paula's Angels Network and received funds to be able to buy a refrigerator for a family who didn't have a car, relied on other people to take them to the grocery store, so they needed a refrigerator with a freezer to keep their foods.
We can provide things that they wouldn't normally get otherwise, and we can make them smile, and that's important, especially when they're sick.
Problem with being homeless and being on the street is you may have food or food stamps, but unfortunately when you fall asleep, sometimes people steal them. That's what kept happening to our patient. I was able to use the food bank to provide him with some food. I would go see him every other week, and he was so thankful and so grateful for the items that we could give him, because that meant he could eat something besides coffee that day.
Using Pick Your Passion and having those funds go to the burial fund allows the family to have, well, support, at least from us, primarily, that they know that we're still there for them, and it's not just at the death that we will support them.
Social workers had a pediatric patient out on the west side, and they were of severe poverty, and my team was very close with them and the child. And I know it meant a lot to this very poor family to be getting food from our food closet. So they picked things in the grocery store, and it was supposed to be all groceries, but there was one little thing that the little boy said was he saw a pair of shoes. And he went up to my social worker and said, "Do you think I could get these shoes?" And he looked at him and said, "Well, we're supposed to get groceries, but I guess we probably could." And he said, "Well, I think they're going to be the last pair I'm going to wear." Needless to say, he got the shoes, and he died soon after. But you know, it's stuff that comes from the heart of our staff and the donations that they give. That's why we do what we do. So I strongly encourage our staff to donate to Pick Your Passion. It's the right thing to do because we are servants of the community.
My father instilled in me at a very young age that children are our future, and children are important. And if we help them when they're young, they will hopefully grow up to be responsible, healthy, happy adults. And I donate because that was important to my dad, and it's a way for me to honor him.
So on behalf of the Community Hospice Foundation, I want to thank all of you for supporting the patients and families that we serve through the Pick Your Passion program.